Hey guys, how are you? It's your girl Tam, and we're doing spiritual baths today. I am so excited. I think this is going to be amazing. Now, the first thing I want you to do is write down all the negative thoughts you have about yourself, and later on we're going to burn them in the pot that you'll see soon. These are the ingredients that you're going to need, okay? Candles, Himalayan salt, Epsom salt, flowers. You're going to need Florida water. You're going to need a singing bowl if you have one, sea salt and Himalayan salt, okay? You're also going to bring that paper. You're going to have sage, rosemary, crystals, and that's the pot that you're going to burn the paper in. First thing you're going to do is water. Then you're going to burn your sage. Now, sage take a little second to get all the way lit. Then you're going to sage the whole bathroom, okay? Then you're going to have your rosemary and your mint. You're going to put it in a little satchel, kind of like a big tea bag, you know. Then we're going to throw it in the water just like that. There we go. All right. Now you're going to add the Florida water. Now you're going to use half of this, not the whole thing, about half. Okay, guys? Yeah. And then that's the Himalayan salt. Okay, there's the crystals. You're going to spread them out. You're not going to put them in the water. Okay, you're going to light your candles. You're going to put the regular sea salt in there. Okay, Himalayan salt with roses. And now the flowers. Oh, the beautiful flowers. These flowers are so amazing. And it's really good to draw energy from them. Okay. So just spread them out quite a bit. Got some sunflowers, all kinds of flowers. Okay. And then I had one rose. You're gonna pluck it and add the petals to the actual water itself, which is really nice. Okay. Boom, we're done. Now you're gonna soak and detox no more than 20 to 30 minutes. Okay? Have a wonderful day, guys.